Felt has emerged as a modern solution to traditional GIS challenges, offering a fast, intuitive, and collaborative platform for mapping. Felt transforms maps into comprehensive workspaces, allowing integration of diverse data types beyond traditional geospatial information. Users can seamlessly add images, web page links, and even YouTube videos, enriching maps with various information sources. This holistic approach fosters collaborative decision-making by providing a dynamic platform for analysis and visualization. Felt's Comments feature allows stakeholders to provide feedback, suggestions, or queries directly on the map. This integrated communication platform supports both internal and external feedback, facilitating seamless collaboration. Users can share links, mention specific stakeholders, and even conduct public consultations. Annotations on Felt maps offer a versatile way to enhance spatial understanding and communication. Users can add contextual information, images, or even draw directly on the map to highlight specific features. This tool helps stakeholders comprehend spatial data and its implications, leading to clear communication and informed decision-making. Felt's flexible sharing options accommodate the diverse roles of stakeholders in mapping projects. Options range from none to view only, view and comment, and view, comment, and edit. These permissions ensure that stakeholders can access the map according to their roles, promoting collaboration and inclusivity. In summary, Felt's modern approach to GIS with its accessible and collaborative tools is transforming the way mapping is done, making it more efficient and inclusive for all users.